Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into our Sheetify Projects toolkit, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets project management template. Today, I'm going to share how you can use our built-in calendar view inside Sheetify Projects. Now, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Projects template, I'll add a full tutorial down below that will cover all the tools and features that you can leverage in this project management toolkit built with Google Sheets. I'll also add other information about all our Google Sheets business templates down below in the description. Okay, so diving into Sheetify Projects, you can see we're on the calendar sheet. And you can see this is a built-in project calendar. Now, before we look at how this works, we first need to navigate over to Projects, and this is where you can add all your different projects. Then, if we click on Tasks, this is where you can manage all your different project tasks. We also have other powerful sheets inside this project management Google Sheets toolkit. We have a dashboard down here to understand your project performance, a single timeline, multi-timeline, calendar, Kanban, team interactions, and email templates for sending and automating emails that get sent to your team. Okay, let's jump back over to calendar. Now up here we can add a custom date, or by default you'll see today's date. Now this green icon here that you can see inside our calendar represents the project start date, and the red is the project launch. You can see that project C and project D start this Wednesday and Thursday. Then down here later on in the month, these projects will be launched. And again, these details are being captured over in projects. You can see the different projects here and their start date as well as launch date. Then we have other important information here. And if we jump over to the calendar again, you can see some of those project milestones, some important data here. We have the 4 active projects here, and active projects refers to projects that have the status active. Again, if we navigate back over to calendar, you can see we have 4 active projects. We have the start date, launch date, project timeline, and progress in terms of tasks. And this task information is the accumulation of task percentage completion, and we can see that over on projects. Pretty cool, huh? So if we jump back over to calendar, that is how you can leverage the calendar sheet, the built-in calendar view inside Sheetify Projects. Again, if you want to dive deeper into Sheetify Projects, this all-in-one Google Sheets project management template, I will add all relevant resources down below in the description. If you got value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.